Hey guys, today I will show you two ways how to share Wi-Fi using a QR code on your Android device. So let's get started. So firstly, on the device, you want to share Wi-Fi to another device. Open Settings app and then open the Wi-Fi, and here tap on the Wi-Fi you are connected to. And this will show the QR code that you have to scan from another device. And this will allow you to connect to network. And then let's see another option. And if you want to share a Wi-Fi without scanning any QR codes, just follow these simple steps. So open the Settings app and go to the Connections. Here, go to the Wi-Fi and then tap on the gear icon, and here tap on QR code. And then tap on Quick Share. And here you will see all of the devices nearby that you can share Wi-Fi with. So now you know how to easily share Wi-Fi using a QR code on Android. And if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.